Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. Welcome to a Twoloosebricks bench brief, and I am at the technical bench right now with a issue that I think that's important to talk about, and it is called clutching power in some of the old bricks and what happens to them. Let's get into it.
Okay, we have new Mega Block and an older one because, if we can see it here, we'll try to. Right in the middle of that brick, it says Mega Blocks on it. Now these ones here have them in circles embossed here and here. So, anyway, the point of what I want to show you here is this. This is the old one. And this tube is deformed. It's down lower than these ones. And these ones are actually lower than these top edges. Okay? So that this one here, the newer ones, like Lego, are all flat across. And this was one thing for clutching power that Mega Bloks had a problem with years ago. And if you can see, we'll try to do this as best as we can do it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it or not, but there is a fine gap between those studs in the middle of that bottom brick and when I put the top brick across it. The studs, or the tubes I should say, the tubes on the bottom, the tubes in here in the bottom brick do not touch the side of this top brick when I push it, when I place it on top. And it should be right across. Okay, so there is why the clutching power is as bad as it is. And when you place the studs on it, you can see there's not much clutching power because there's no clutch there because that tube is deformed. And even up here at this end, it's because these studs here are only so high and they go up next to the wall and the tube. And if the tubes are not the same height as the walls, there's not enough friction to make that clutch. Now on the newer ones, that's not the problem because they're all the same height, right across. And I think you can see how that edge of that brick there meets that tube on that darker purple. Now if we go this way, you can see that they're not really meeting up flat. It's very, very close, but now as we come to this one here, this tube, this last tube, it's not meeting up at all because that's a deformed one. But I just wanted to show you that that's a possibility of why some of the older Mega Bloks do not clutch as well, or any bricks that don't clutch very well. It's because the tubes are not the same height as the outside edge. And if that's the case, then they won't clutch. They will clutch, but they just will not have the power that they should have. This is just like they shouldn't do that at all. That should not happen. So with that being said, that's the clutching power of some of the old bricks. Just wanted to bring that to your attention. Let me know if you've had any problems with that, or any other types of bricks that have clutching problems. And maybe you have a different type of clutching problem. Let me know down below. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you guys again in the next video.
That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.